Hi everyone, welcome back to Divine Angels 11. I'm Ashna and today I'm doing the love reading for the week of 9th November 2020. And for this week, I'm using the daily guidance from the angels oracle cards by Doreen Virtue. So let's get into your reading and see what are the love messages for this week or relationship messages. Family. So this week is a lot. So you as a partnership, you in a relationship will be dealing with your family members. So you would probably be spending a lot of time with your family. You would kind of be around them a lot. You will try and look for you might be fulfilling some emotional needs of your family. I also feel that some of you might have some rooted emotional experience with a family member, and which probably needs healing. So I feel that you might feel that that relationship is not very strong with this person, your family member. It could be anyone in your family, and you feel that the relationship has some sort of codependency which you feel is really getting to you or the other person. So I feel that the best way to heal a particular relationship would be to kind of surround yourself and this person in white or pink light in your heart and your mind, and ask your angels to bring in a lot of calming and soothing effect in this relationship. And you can even imagine a blue light, because blue has an effect of calmness. So some relationship is kind of a little troublesome for you. It has some emotional needs, and there's some sort of unbalanced situation happening in here with the family member. So you need to heal it. So you need to have a very calm approach towards it. If you want to solve that healing between the two of you, you probably would need that imaginative sense where you ask your angels to come in. You tell them, put a beautiful light of pink, blue or white between us, and make us stronger and understand each other better. So this could happen with a particular family member. This could even happen in a partnership. So if you are partnered with someone romantically, it could happen with them. Maybe there is some unhealed situations between the two of you, especially people who have broken up, who are not together anymore, and there is a lot of remorse and resentment against each other. Then to kind of balance the situation, not to get back together, but to have a cordial relationship, or maybe just a calm situation, you can do this practice. Let's see the next card. Have confidence. I feel that you in your partnership are probably in the past felt, you might have felt that I've been taken for granted. You might have felt that there's some need which wasn't getting fulfilled. And now I feel that instead of relying on your partner, instead of telling them that I don't deserve this, or I'm not feeling good with you, I think you've started focusing on yourself. So I feel this week onwards, or maybe it's been a while that it's already happening, you will start really doing things for yourself. You will be busy in your own life. I also feel that if some of you are still in that stage where you are dependent on your partner's approval for everything, you need to start realizing that you for moving forward, you need to have confidence in yourself and your ability, and that you need to feel that you're whole. So self love is the key here. I also feel that the confidence, you need to get that confidence through some source. So I feel there is maybe there's some other person around you who can give you that confidence. Maybe your work can bring you confidence. There is some sort of third situation around you which is getting you some sort of confidence and some sort of satisfaction which your partner is not giving you. So that is what's happening right now. So, and also I feel the angels are saying that you need to lean on us for confidence. So if you're feeling not confident, ask, call upon Archangel Michael and tell them that I need that confidence, I need the courage, I need the strength to stand on my own. And you won't believe that within a few days you'll start imbibing those qualities, you'll start feeling stronger and confident, and then you'll realize that it's been a month, 2 months, and I've changed. So you really need to keep asking your angels and gods for those qualities, because they manifest very soon. I've always seen, whenever we ask for material things, that I want an increase in my salary, I want more money, I want a house. Those things of course take time, that also manifests. But I feel when you're manifesting things like, I want courage, I want enlightenment, I want to grow spiritually, and if you say it from your heart, those things really happen fast. And it has to be something, and if you're doing it from a very pure sense, you're doing it very purely for your benefit and not for harming anyone, then angels will rush to you to help you. So I feel that is what you need. You need to just ask them for some courage and faith and confidence this week. Let's see the final card. Energy work. Like I said, it may be that your partnership, your home, your relationship with your partner, it might have some sort of negativity attached to it. You need to kind of do some energy work, some cleansing work around your partnership, to let go of the heavy feeling in your relationship. It's very important. Again, energy tools can be done by going to a spiritual healer. It can be done by again imagining it for yourself and asking God to do it for you. But I feel that if it's a situation where you feel that things are getting worse by the day in your partnership, it's better to go consult a spiritual coach, and ask them for help, because there are a lot of ways by which spiritual coaches, like even I, give remedies that can help calm the situation, that will, if there is a particular major problem, I can point out that issue, and also kind of understand from both the perspectives and guide you. So yes, some energy work is required, and healing energy is required in your partnership if it's not working out, if it's been persistent, if it feels that you are stuck, if it feels that you both don't understand each other, or things are getting worse, or there is some sort of a feeling of hollowness. You need to do energy work to cleanse it. You know how a lot of people who don't believe in it, they say that we don't believe in energy work, how do you do this? But it's as simple as that. When your house gets dirty, you clean it, right? You mop the floor, you clean the windows, you do everything to keep your surroundings clean. Then why not do that work? Why not clean the unnecessarily dirty things around in your partnership also? So that can be done through energy healing. Even that needs to be cleansed. It's important. So it's a similar way. Your relationships also need to be cleansed and detoxified to have a balanced approach. So I hope this made sense. And if you want a personal reading, please send me a DM and I'll schedule an appointment as soon as possible for you. I'll see you very soon. Love and light to you all. Bye.